just like the other one that I bought a while back has. But I'm hoping that the app that runs with this will be great. This is really high quality, and I was looking for something that I could use to actually track. Now, you guys have seen me review the Apai Genie. The Apai Genie is pretty fantastic, but this has big motors, so theoretically you could use this with a big camera, but I don't need to because I'm going to use it with phone, and I'm hoping that this will run with a phone. And it looks like this is the main event bit. You can put it back in there hopefully without wrecking it like I did now. There's a thing here that I don't know what does, and a bunch of doohickeys and doodads, which I also don't know what they do. This is the tripod, if I can get it out. Not likely.
Likey.